Hey everyone, Maria back with a new Tech Tuesday video. Today we're going to be looking at the Biography Reference Bank. It's a great resource for students, even if you're just interested in knowing more about an author. Any biography of a person, could be somebody famous, political, historical figure. It's a one place to go to get different types of references. Yeah, and I like it. It's easy to use, one of our EBSCO products. And it's just a great resource. So as always, we're going to start at our library's website, mapld.org. We're going to need your library card and your PIN number. So if you don't know your PIN or having issues with your PIN, please give us a call at 708-748-4431 or email us at mtslib@mapld.org or use our Let's Chat feature right here. Just go ahead and click on that and you'll have a virtual librarian there to help you with your issue. Okay, so once again, start out our website, go to research and learning, A to Z list. We're going to go to Biography Reference Bank. So once you click on here, you're going to see this page where you're going to need your library card right here and then your PIN. Hit sign in and then this is the page you will see. So it's just like a regular search engine. You've seen these in a couple of other tutorials I've done. All EBSCO products look like this. So Academic Search Premier, the Business Source Premier, a couple of the other ones we have all are going to start like this, but it's geared towards specific topics. So this one's biographies. So for my example, I used Stephen King, one of my favorite authors. So hit search. So you get the biographies. What you need to make sure on this one is that there's not when you go to limit 2, the full text doesn't necessarily always pop up. So in order to make sure that you get full text of what you want to read about the author or whoever biography you're looking for, hit show more, and then you're going to put also search within the full text of articles. So you want to click on that, and then you want to hit search. All right, so then you have Stephen King. Like always with the other ones, after you go down just a little bit, you'll see video results. And then you'll see full text here. Some of these are not going to have full text, but they're going to just give you highlights of what they've done. So that's what these are here. So you can just go down and you'll see HTML or PDF. I love the PDFs because they usually always give you pictures. Sometimes it's just a scanned version of the article. So this one's a really old article. It's pretty cool too. You see September 1947. Really? It says, oh, for, yeah, Epic Run in Hollywood. So it's actually September 5th, 2017. This was in the variety.com. So that's actually pretty cool. So go to results list. And another area that I like too is Newswire. So they'll give you things that have been happening recently in the news for him. So you can hit find more. You'll see fast facts about him, more things about his home. You can also go ahead and like go back and go back to last page. Search by publications, source types, subject types, and publications. So this is different types of, Publisher Weekly, things like that. If you're looking for a specific article in a magazine, you definitely want to use these types of limits here on your left-hand side. And lastly, if you're looking for just pictures, they'll have actually all the images here on the right-hand side. So any biography you're looking up underneath Newswire will have bibliographical pictures for you to use. So if you hit find more, you'll see a couple more photos and it'll have the actual, if you click on one, so for example here, and it'll actually give you all the information about where it's from. So in case you need to cite in the source, you can definitely use this article, this photograph, excuse me, in your paper if you wanted to. Sometimes teachers do want you to cite where you got your photographs from. Remember, no plagiarism. Plagiarism is bad. But yeah, definitely an easy resource to use. I like it. Like I said, it's all about biographies. So if it's historical, somebody important in news, authors, political figures, historical figures, anything. This is a great resource for you to use if you're running out of resources that the library might actually have. So if you remember, as always, you're going to go to our website, mapld.org, research and learning, A to Z list. You're going to come down to Biography Reference Bank, and then you're going to need your library card and your pen. But as always, if you have a question, any issues about any of the databases we have covered in Tech Tuesdays, don't ever hesitate to give us a call, drop an email, or even a virtual response, and we'll get to you as soon as possible. But until then, stay safe, take care, and I will see you guys soon. Bye!